Final Cut Pro libraries can get huge and eat up your hard drive space. Welcome back to day 28. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series where you can easily clean them up after a project is finished. In under 3 minutes, you'll learn how to manage your libraries and save space. Over time, Final Cut Pro creates render files, optimized media, and proxy files to help your editing run smoothly. But once you're done with a project, you don't need to keep these temporary files. To delete them, select your library in the browser. Then go to File, Delete Generated Library Files. In this window, you can choose what to delete. To save the most space, check Delete Render Files and Delete Optimized and Proxy Media. Then click OK. This will not delete your original media or your project timeline. It only removes the temporary files that Final Cut Pro generated. This can often free up a massive amount of hard drive space. It's a great thing to do whenever you finish a project. Cleaning up your libraries is great practice. But what's the safest way to store your finished projects for the long term? In our next video, we'll cover the basics of backing up your work. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 29.